What is up, you guys? Welcome back. If you remember, we were thrashing on the race truck, trying to get it done, the diesel race truck, because we were going to Golden State Dieselfest, but we just didn't quite make it. So we decided to bust out old Liam. If you're not familiar with Liam, here he is. He's like a 90s Nissan Hardbody. Got a stock bottom end, aluminum 5.3 on Holley HP, S475, Turbo 400, Ford 8.8. Pretty simple setup. It was super windy down there, so the audio is pretty terrible, but I'm gonna throw it in there anyways. So let's get to it. What's up, guys? It's a windy day. We're at Dieselfest with what? Not a diesel, but we got Ash. So racetrack wouldn't fire up, so we had to bust out Liam. Luckily he's running so far. We're gonna pull him up there and see how today goes. So let's go. Well, I made a rip and it's still running and it felt good at the beginning. I think I shifted too early still. I got to get those nerves dialed in and get used to this thing. But it kind of shut off on me a little bit before the 8th. Still went decent to the 8th, but not what we want. So I'm pulling the log right now. Let's see what happens. The white truck looking fresh and the Nissan looking rough. Well, it made one more hit and it was still acting out, so obviously something wrong, but that's pretty much a wrap for Dieselfest with the old gas burner. So that's it. See you guys on the next one.